Hello guys, so tonight we will eat this Pinoy food called, what's this?
Egg.
Egg, no, it's not egg. What do you call this? Savannah, what do you call this?
Balot.
Balot.
Ulit.
So Lala is interested to see
Ulit.
what's inside a balot.
Mami. Balot.
Balot. Do you want to open the balot?
Yes.
Savannah, can you turn off the water? Do you want to open the balot? You poke this side. To open the balot, you need to identify kung saan yung hindi mas matulis, dun dapat bubuksan. Ganito, tinan nyo. Matulis yung ilalim, yung baba, yung taas, hindi. So, dun natin bubuksan sa taas. Kay Daddy. Then, bubuksan natin yan dyan. Dapat nandyan yung bakanting lote. Ay, sorry. Yes, yung may, ha? Yung may butas. Gusto daw na Lala makita kung may hair na daw.
Hey, ang damay na kadak.
Ah, sige, sige. So, we will open to... Kailangan Savannah hawakan mo yung cellphone. And this is the suka, by the way, from Kuya magbabala.
Go, Mommy, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Ayan, guys, look.
Sir.
Dito natin itapon sa... Ayan, perfect, guys. Oh, sige, balat. Ayan, open daw ni Lala kasi gusto niyang makita kung malaki yung sisiw. Sana hindi. Guys, pansin nyo ba, late na ng balot ngayon? Dati malalaki, ngayon sobrang liliit na.
Ay, yung jumbo.
Ako na. Ngayon, tatanggalin natin yung very...
Ano?
Skin? I don't know.
Skin ba yan?
The covering. And then, of course, we will higop the sabaw like this, guys. If matatabangan ka, pwede mo lagyan ng asin. Himalayan salt yung gamit. Himalayan salt po yung nalalagay. Wow. Look at Lala's face. What? It's yummy.
Mami, hanggal na natin.
Tatanggalin na natin yung mga balat. Lalansa yung kamay mo. Just, watch and see how it looks, okay? Uy, mukhang maliit yung sisiw, guys, kasi may puti-puti pa.
What's here?
Ganun talaga, baby duck. Ito, baby eh.
Duck
May tatlong baby. Ah! Buhay pa. Nakita.
Asa na ice niya? Asa na ice niya? Asa na ice niya? Asa na ice niya?
Ha? Bakit mo kailangan tignan yung eyes? Nagtatago, baby. Hindi ko mahanap kung nasan yung head. Ba't ba gusto mong tignan yung eyes? Ha? Kilala talaga. Ayan. So, guys, fortunately, this is small. So, we will just drop it. Drop it like guitar. Drop it like guitar in the suka. And, may iba kasi, guys, kinakain nila yun matigas na oil. Pero hindi ko yung kinakain. Iwan ko na lang po.
May matigas?
Tapos, ang ginagawa ko dito,
Kinakalat niya.
hinahati ko yung yellow at saka yung sisiw.
Why?
Para properly distributed. Tapos ganyan.
Is that intestine?
Baby, hindi ko mahanap yung ice kasi baby, maliit pa siya.
Saan ang intestine
Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng ice. Uy, video.
Ha? Pinidyo ka.
Tapos, lalagyan natin ng konting asin. And then
Bakit
guys,
may
may
bagal?
suka. Tapos, subo natin ng very, very big.
Mami, i-taste ko. Wag mo i-taste yung salt. Ha?
Ganun lang siya, guys.
Mami.
Baby, salt to.
Kasi ng intestine.
Wala na.
Mami.
And then, last bite is this one. What can you say? You want balot? I have another one, Have another one, Sa daddy yan. Bye, guys! Balot pa na. Balot pa na.